After 1 minute 30 seconds, the top drivers are Matthew Van Beers in first place, followed by Henry Brown in second place, followed by Mark Kilbride in third place.
Stop driving like a numpty.
So up next is race 9, vintage 389 four-wheel drive. Darcy, Mark, Rowan, Lee, Elton, Jason, Kyle, Graham, Cooper, Matthew, Matt Evans, so Matthew Van Beers, Matt Evans, Miles and Rob.
Thank you.
3 minutes, the top drivers are Matthew Van Beers in first place, followed by Henry Brown in second place, followed by Mark Kilbride in third place. "45 seconds left. Seconds left. After 4 minutes 30 seconds, the top drivers are Matthew Van Beers in first place, followed by Henry Brown in second place, followed by Mark Kilbride in third place. 15 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One Wing Taylor done with a 10 lap 5:02.2 result. Daniel Controllers Roha done with a 9 lap 5:08.5 result. Matthew Van Beers done with an 11 lap 5:10.1 result. Kenley Brown done with an 11 lap 5:16.5 result. Mark Gilbert done with an 11 lap 5:17.3 result. Joseph Contreras